Dave Corinth here, welcome to my shop. Today I want to show you how to fix a loose cam lever on a Stanley lever cap, one that flails around like it's not supposed to. It's quick and easy and it doesn't take much time. So let's get started. So what do I mean by a loose cam lever? Well, this is the cam lever and this is the spring that holds it in place. It was patented by Leonard Bailey, I think in 1858. And if I'm wrong about that, I'll put a little asterisk and a correction somewhere here or there, somewhere. But this one is loose, and it should look like this. So you can see this is the cam lever, and when I put it in place, it stays there because the tension on this little spring keeps it in place. But over time, they can do this. And that is really, really annoying whenever you're putting together a plane and it just sits there and flops. So I have found an easy way to fix this, and it's not just for Stanley lever caps. You can also do it on Sargent caps. They have the exact same Leonard Bailey patented cam lever on a Record or any of them that have this style of cam lever for locking down the lever cap. So what can cause the cam lever to get loose? Well, there are a couple of things. One is if you bend the cam lever down too far, you can see it pushes that spring down, and over time it will begin to lose its spring and it will no longer engage the bottom of the cam. The other thing I think is people pull it up when cleaning it. Usually I find these loose lever caps on planes that have been cleaned or restored, not on original ones that have never had anything done to them. This one has been dipped in, I'm pretty sure it's vinegar, which I'm not a big fan of, obviously, but probably this one, whenever they were cleaning it, they either pulled it up here to get behind it to clean it, and then when they did, they pulled up too far, and now it won't engage the cam lever. So to fix this, I don't take it and push it to the side because it can kind of damage the spring here, and I found a really quick and easy way to do it using a 3/32 Allen wrench, a block of wood, and a ball peen hammer. So let's get this one back in place. You'll want to place your lever cap on the block of wood with the back facing up and let the lever overhang the board almost at a 90-degree angle. And then slide that small Allen key behind the spring and pull it forward as far as you can. Then using the ball peen hammer, tap slightly in front of the Allen key towards the top of the lever cap. This will bend that spring slightly forward, allowing it to engage that cammed lever once again. So that didn't take long to get this floppy cammed lever back to where it should be. And all it took was a block of wood, a small Allen key, this one being a 3/32, and a small ball peen hammer. You don't want to strike that with a big hammer with too much force, as you could actually damage the cap. You could also use one with a neoprene tip or a brass tip if you're worried about marring the surface. Either way, now our cammed lever is no longer flopping around like it was before. So comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll make more. Thank you for watching.